Hey, I'm Shansing, you're watching Tech A to Z, and today I'll review this Petron Soundrus Bluetooth headphone adapter. I bought it at 669 rupees from Flipkart almost an year and a half ago. I gave you unboxing at the time, so you can watch the unboxing in the cards here. I'll give you the link. Normally it sells around 700 rupees, so let's start the review. And I want to tell you first that the weather is very hot and humid, so I'll be sweating a little, maybe a lot. So ignore that. Okay, first of all, I'll tell you about its build quality and design. So it came in two parts. This whole thing was in two parts: this Bluetooth module and 1 feet long earphone with 3.5mm normal jack. The earphone was garbage, by the way. That stopped working after a month or so. But the main reason I bought this set was this module, because all the sweat resistant earphones I bought for workout before stopped working after a few months, and almost all the time it was wire that gave up, not the Bluetooth function. So I started searching for something where both parts were separate, and after searching for a while I came upon this earphone. It was also labeled as water resistant and sweat resistant, so it was perfect for working out. As I told you before, earphone stopped working after a month. So all I'm gonna say about that it had attractive and fragile build. Now coming to the Bluetooth module, it's made of plastic, but it has some kind of coating on it, which gives it very matty and rubbery finish. It serves two main purposes. First, it doesn't slip off of your hands easily. Second thing I noticed is if droplets of water or sweat drops on it, instead of sticking to it, most of it just comes off, it slips off. Now buttons are completely made of plastic, but they are not attached snugly. They have space around them, which seems wide enough for liquids to go inside the module. Buttons were completely red colored when they came in new, but as you can see, now color is fading away, it's wearing off, and it started wearing off 4-5 months ago. There are two holes for the indicator and mic below the buttons. These holes also seems to have at least enough space for liquids to go inside. Adapter for 3.5mm jack is here, as you can see on the top, which of course gets tightly closed when once the jack is plugged in. On the back side, you can see there's a hook to fix it in your clothes, but this clip is quite loose. If you fix it on an angle, it will slip down to the bottom. It will also come off very easily with a simple tug, and you have to fix it again. Good thing is that 3.5mm jack adapter is very tight, so it doesn't fall off. It just keeps on hanging from jack of your smartphone. At the bottom you'll find the charging port. It needs a normal micro B cable to charge, and port also seem to have enough space for liquids to go inside. Now I've told you all these things, which seems to have enough space for sweat or water to seep in, and I'm using it for workout in gym and also running outside for more than a year. But it's still working perfectly with zero problems, and I sweat like crazy. I sweat during workout like I'm taking a shower, and this module gets drenched every time, but it never had any problems. It's also very sturdy. It dropped so many times, no problems. But here's crazy incident. There was a newly made concrete floor, and it has a lot of concrete gravel on it. Nobody wiped it. It was not finished, so I put this on the floor and then forgot about it and sat on it. After a few minutes I realized it and picked it up. It got scratched at many places, but there was no crack or significant damage, and it's still working perfectly fine. So now let's talk about performance and functions. So first of all, it has 3 buttons with normal functions. This middle one serves the purpose of turning it on or off. You have to keep it pressed for a few seconds, that's it, will turn on or off. It also functions for receiving and ending the calls, plus playing and pausing the music. Upper button is for volume up and next track. You have to press it once to go on next track and keep it pressed to increase the volume. Lower button works in same way for decreasing volume and going on last track. All the buttons are still working perfectly with no problems at all. When you plug in the charger, indicator will light up red, and it will turn off automatically once it's fully charged. By the way, you can use it while charging, but it will charge of course slower. When you turn it on, the indicator will start blinking red and blue color. Once it's connected to a device, it will start blinking slowly in blue color. Microphone quality is good too. It picks up sounds crystal and clear, but again, it's meant for calling, not for quality sound recording, so don't expect that. Now coming to the sound. The sound is amazing. The quality of chip that's used in this module for delivering audio is amazing. Sound output quality that you get from this module is not at all inferior from your smartphone. If you are using budget smartphone, music quality may even be better than this smartphone, especially bass output is very good. Although heavy frequencies suffer just a little bit, but vocals are pretty clear, and of course audio quality will heavily depend on the headphones you are using. You can use any normal headphones or earphones with it if it has 3.5mm jack. Of course, I have also used it with my Philips woofer. I connected with my smartphone via Bluetooth and then plugged in the woofer's AV2 3.5mm aux cable in it, and it was delivering sound to the woofer. Although, as you can expect, the sound quality was not very good, but it is not designed to drive that powerful device with like standalone woofer. So sound was very bass heavy, and it was very muddy and distorted bass. Sound was also clipping at higher volumes, but I was surprised at the fact that it was somehow delivering the sound. But for the use it is designed for, which is to use it with a smartphone, it's awesome. Although one thing I'll say in the end, that included earphones didn't have great sound quality. They were not taking full advantage of this module's capabilities, but fortunately they stopped working soon. They broke, and I got to find out the real potential of this module since I used it with better earphone. So this was the review. So do I recommend it? 100%. If you want a Bluetooth earphone under 1000 rupees, buy this, especially for workout. I'm saying 1000 rupees because I assume that included earphones won't last long and you have to buy a better wired earphone to use with this module. But this module is very tough, sturdy, water and sweat resistant, and perfect for workout. So if you like this video, press the like button. If you disliked it, you can also press dislike button, but tell me in the comment section why did you not like this video. If you press the dislike button, and also subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Press the bell icon so you can get the upcoming videos notifications and stuff. So I really hope we'll meet in next video. Till then, best of luck.